Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss another frequently asked question of lesson number 1 number system of class 9. Our first question, simplify 3 upon 5 minus root 3 plus 2 upon 5 plus root 3. Let's solve. Here you can see the denominator is an irrational number. So the first step is to make the denominator a rational number. How we can do this one? By multiplying the rationalizing factor of denominator. That is, our first term is 3 upon 5 minus root 3. The denominator is 5 minus root 3. So the rationalizing factor is 5 plus root 3. Similarly, the second term is 2 upon 5 plus root 3. Here the denominator is 5 plus root 3. So the rationalizing factor of the denominator is 5 minus root 3. So the second term should be multiplied by 5 minus root 3. So we get 3 into 5 plus 3 into root 3 upon the denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b gives a square minus b square, where a equal to 5 and b equal to root 3. So we get 5 square minus root 3 square plus the numerator. You can do step by step multiplication, term by term multiplication, that is 2 into 5 minus 2 into root 3 upon 5 square minus root 3 whole square. Now we get 15 plus 3 root 3 upon 25 minus 3 plus 10 minus 2 root 3 upon 25 minus 3. Here the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators and keep the same denominator. That is 15 plus 3 root 3 plus 10 minus 2 root 3 divided by 25 minus 3 is 22. 15 plus 10, 25 plus 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that is plus root 3 is common, 3 minus 2 root 3 upon 22 equal to 25 plus 3 minus 2 is 1, so root 3 upon 22. So after simplifying we get 25 plus root 3 upon 22. Next question is simplify 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5. Here term by term simplification you have to do. So the first term is 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. We have to find the rationalizing factor of the denominator and multiply numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor. Here the rationalizing factor of 4 minus root 5 is 4 plus root 5. So we multiply 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5. Similarly, in the second term is 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5 and the denominator is 4 plus root 5. So the rationalizing factor of 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5. So the second term is multiplied by the rationalizing factor 4 minus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. Now we can see here the multiplication of numerator. The product of numerator gives 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5, that is 4 plus root 5 whole square upon denominator in the form a minus b into a plus b. So that is a square minus b square. Plus again multiply the numerator. It is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. That is a minus b whole square. Here 4 minus root 5 whole square upon denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square is root 5 whole square. Denominators are same. So we can add the numerator and put the same denominator. Before adding, we can expand the numerator of first term. It is in the form of identity a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2 into 4 into root 5 plus root 5 whole square divided by 16 minus 5 plus this is in the form of identity a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square upon 16 minus 5. Now the denominators are same. We can add the numerator. That is 16 plus 8 root 5 plus 5 upon 11 plus 16 minus 8 root 5 plus 5 divided by 11. That is 16 plus 5 is 21 plus 8 root 5 plus 16 plus 5 is 21 minus 8 root 5 whole divided by 11. Plus 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 cancel. So the answer is 21 plus 21, 42 upon 8.